Superlative adjectives are used to describe the highest or lowest degree of equality among three or more things. They show that something has the most or least amount of a particular quality. For example, we say the tallest building or the most beautiful painting. Superlative adjectives describe the extreme quality of one item compared to all others in a group. They help to show that one thing is at the top or bottom in height, size, beauty, or any other quality. Examples include the tallest, the smartest, and the most beautiful. There are clear rules to form superlative adjectives. For short adjectives with one syllable, you add est to the end. For adjectives ending in y, change the y to I and add est. For longer adjectives with two or more syllables, use the most before the adjective. Some adjectives also have irregular superlative forms, like good becoming best and bad becoming worst. In all superlative forms, we use the word the to show it is the highest or lowest degree. For example, the tallest building means it is taller than all other buildings. The smartest student is the one with the highest intelligence. The most beautiful painting is the one admired for its beauty more than any other. Superlative adjectives are used in full sentences to describe something as the best or the worst. For example, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. This is the most difficult question in the test. She is the youngest player on the team. Yesterday was the coldest day of the year. Here are more examples to help understand superlative adjectives. He is the fastest runner in the team. That is the smallest bag in the shop. She gave her best performance tonight. This is the worst storm we have seen. He was the happiest child at the party. Maths is the most important subject for her. Superlative adjectives allow us to describe people and things as having the most or least of a quality. For instance, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. She gave the best performance in the play. That was the coldest winter we have had. He is the smartest student in the class. Remember, superlative adjectives require the word the before them. The structure is the followed by the superlative adjective, then the noun it describes. For example, the tallest building, the most beautiful painting, or the best player. These rules help you create clear and correct sentences using superlatives.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.